So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Layercut Professional. So today again something like most trendable haircut we're going to be discussed for round layer haircut. The recently it's getting more demanding on these contents and the customers was expecting consistently back to back on this same concept of the haircuts. So the top to bottom which is connected and the medium hair length, and it looks so clean and neat for thin and medium hair density and baby hair texture is really good on these haircuts. So my client also expecting to remain the same according to this. She suggested to go with that haircuts, and also we will be discussing about the same things. We're just going to be start with a round layer haircut, and that's a concept we just every time to elevating different concept and bringing on to the customers needs and all. And as for that video concepts also we just recreating with much better than before the every times. So please let me know in the comments below how was the previous videos and where we can improve. And if you're really new to my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So before dive into this video concept, I would like to request you all, please hit the subscribe button and we'll be start the haircut video. Let's get to dive into the complete of the haircut video. So all the sections as you seen with overall the subsections was taken. And after that I'm just going to be explaining you with a step by step each and every section. Help up to the comb, and you can just see the front fringe section and the side crown, side crown and side base sides and the back portions. And after that I release complete up the back section, and just we finally going to be start the one length basic before add the layers. The one length basic, it will be giving to something finishing up to the layer ethics and proper finishing, and at the same time and the center profile I picked. I'm just going to be add the layers, and before that is one more section is going to finish on the side. One length basic. Finally I'm just pick from the center profile and I'm adding the layers step by step. And then the side to be going to be take with thin section and just going to be converting the layers step by step. After that I'll come to another side. The same thing will following the step by step and stationary guideline pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. After that I'm cross checking. Both the sides. and after that I'm just taking a side section. After that, stationary guideline pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. And step by step, same thing, and following the every hair sections with the help of stationary guideline. And after that, I'm just cross checking. And finally, I'll come to another side with the same technique. I'm just going to start. And before that, I'm just going to give it one line basic. The one line basic, it as stays given to the foundation of the bottoms, and top of that we just create the layers. The same things we just going to be start the workshop with the step by step in each and everything, so in offlines. And whoever wants to be join us to be in offline workshop as tutorial courses, please let me know in the comments below. We are located in the Karnataka. And after that, I'm just going to be released with a crown. Two sections, a big horseshoe sections on both the sides. Just going to be released and exactly pitch to the center of the hair, and take from the guideline exactly center of the crown, and rest of the hair going to be connect to the layers. So on the January 2025, we have an options to be creating with the new advanced courses for whoever learners to the freshers. So if you're really looking forward to that such a course to learn from with us, please let me know in the comments below. We'll definitely look it forward. And how was the complete of the overall the videos? Please let me know in the comments below. After that, I'm cross checking, and after that I'll come to another side too. Finally, we are coming for fringe sections. The small fringe section we picked, and merging in the fresh hair towards the fringe portions, which can be visible very neat and clean finishing on it. After that, I'm showing the messy hair layers, and finally we'll start to the blow dry. So by the way guys, I would have a questions to ask to as the for my experience basis. So please let me comments below how was the haircut and techniques, and how we do the blow dry, and where we has to be improved more, and how it really helpful towards to you. Please let me know in the comments below. We will be improving more and looking forward such new content of concepts of the haircut tutorial based videos. And whoever willing to be learn like offline courses, please let me know in the comments below. I'll mention in the number below. Please call me for regarding the courses. We will definitely approach us to you, and in the description below you can just see the links and locations and contact numbers for website. Everything is mentioned in the description below. Please go and check it out there. Please let me know in the comments below whoever willing to looking forward something offline courses, and January onwards will be starting for new concept of the courses. The side section also got finished. Finally, I'll come to the center crown. And release the last fringe section. We're just going to finish the blower. After that, release that portions to be. And finally, this is my final presentation of the round layer finishing of haircut. So I hope you all are enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments below how was the videos and how we did nicely how we did our haircut techniques and all. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And from the front you can just see with complete up proper clean finishing, and visible was very clean at all. And after that, my client was pretty much happy in the makeover looks, and she is very new to be these haircuts, and she never expect this look is to be give it to the perfect finishing and fit to be ambience. So after that, she was very much happy, and finally we just going to be start with the same haircut long lasting purpose to adding the texture. The texture will be mandatory, will give a haircut which can be finishing clean and neater, and give it a more flexibility on even after wash the hair as well. So the texture is majorly impact to the haircut long lasting, and also it will be uneven hair also you can chop end of the day. Check cross also, with so many things done the benefits by when we do the texturing. So ensure after the haircut mandatory to the any short haircuts, may long haircuts you can just do mandatory for a texture finishing. So without that the cut which won't be finished, and it will be look so good as well after the finishing of the texture. But so don't lose the texture, and must be create the texture which will be long lasting for a haircut. The client will be stick with us every time, and a new concept up to the haircuts they will definitely expect from us. So finally the fringe section is going to be finished on the texture, so that will be a final finishing. And after that I can just see the finishing up to the hair, and again I'm just showing with after texture finishing. It was really good, and the layers was connected very flexible. You can just see that top to bottom each and everything is got connected. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely look it forward. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll answer to that. So this is my final finishing, and this is my final look. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. We will meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.